Hi guys, my name is Alicia Silverthorne, and I have done some other tutorials on Canva. However, today I'm gonna go into more detail on how to create a video on Canva. So I'm gonna go back to my home screen, actually. And so up here you can decide what kind of content you want to create. For me, I picked video, and you can pick which format you want. In the video that I'm about to show you guys, I chose to do landscape for my assignment. However, you can use a mobile video. It's this one's tailored to Instagram story, so it fits perfectly, and whatnot. There's also video templates that you can also choose from. Um, you can click here and you can see all the different video templates. However, what I ended up doing was I chose the video section right here, and simply just picked video landscape. Now we're going to go back to the one I've already created. And right here, you click design and you can search up different video templates. Hi. So as you see here, I said that I picked instructional design, and then this was one of the templates I chose, and then you go from there. These are the different sections that I ended up choosing from, and you can see them right here as we click through my video. Now moving forward, to edit, I decided to put the a little like iMessage kind of theme, and so as it plays here, you click play. You can see I've animated my text, and I have also timed out when that bubble comes in, and right there you see exactly where it decides to come in. Very simple to use, and then if I wanted to make it longer or shorter, this is where I would do that. Same thing with this. When I was editing my video, I would click and make sure that I was able to have enough time to read each and every word with plenty of time, obviously considering different people's different reading speeds. Now, as you see here, I have a lot of different videos at the top of each section, and I actually did not have to go outside of Canva to click any or to provide any of these videos. What I did was I go to elements here and I searched elements, and as you can see there's a whole bunch of different things I can do, but you click videos and then here you go. Here are some of the videos that I recently used, and then as you can see back at design, some of these videos were already chosen, and I just decided to tailor the video for it to be applicable to my current topic. What else? Last thing, I just want to teach you guys how to add music audio. So again, all the elements are right here. You can go through a whole bunch of different things, but I would just click music right here. And then there's a bunch of different music that you're able to choose from. I think in order to find this audio, yeah, I picked happy upbeat beat pop music. And then unfortunately I can't have the music play for this tutorial, but I just apply it and it's all down here at this little like super tiny purple line. Anyways, editing the video, I just made sure I watched through the whole thing, made sure all my transitions are clean and that they are timed out properly. And then other than that, Canva was truly so easy to use. I was able to create this whole video within 20 minutes or so after getting all of my getting my outline created, obviously. But yeah, I hope you guys have the opportunity and chance to use Canva for any type of video assignment. I think it is a great tool that is really easy to figure out and use. And hopefully this tutorial helped you do that. Thank you guys so much, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.